All right, so today I have Maruchan Instant Lunch Lime and Chili flavor with shrimps. Absolute goodness right here. It's a ramen noodle soup, shrimp flavor. All right, so with this right here, let me take a look at the front. Lime and chili, all right? Lime, chili flavor with shrimp. Absolute goodness. Now, the instructions say, let's see, cook this. All right, so instructions say fold back the lid halfway, fill to inside line with boiling water. Close lid securely and let stand for 3 minutes. Remove lid, stir thoroughly, and enjoy from the cup. Absolute goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Go ahead and crack this open from the top. Make it drop like some wet ramen. All right, so it's a little tough to get in, so I'm gonna have to use a little bit of ingenuity. All right, got a little bit of ingenuity. Got in here, and go ahead, peel back at the top. And then I have some hot water just sitting to the side right here, magically. Gonna go ahead and pour this in, pour the seasonation on top. It says I'm supposed to pour it to the line. I'm gonna pour it just a little bit below the line because I want the flavoration to be a little bit stronger. So just right there, and then let it sit for, let's see the instructions, I forgot already. It says for 3 minutos. Absolute goodness. All right. So it's been 3 minutos, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take off my securely closed lid. All right, so go ahead and pull this back. Now look at this. Look at the chili lime in there. I'm just gonna take a fork and stir this up a little bit. Look at the flavoration in there. I'm just gonna stir the flavoration around in there. Look at that. Go ahead and try this out to see what it tastes like. A big chunk of this. Gonna go ahead and try a bite of this. Chili lime flavor, definitely there. I'd give it a 4 stars. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.